Hi, everybody. Good evening. Hope you're well. Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing, like I said, home and office decor and interior solutions. We also have corporate gifting items. We have office furniture. We also have semi-precious stone items, which are largely for homes, offices, gifting, hotels, banquets, or wherever you require home and office accessories and furniture and stuff like that. We promote art, not majorly now anymore because we've got the onus of wanting to promote and do more of high-end luxury and premium products and stuff. Most of the designs have been worked on by me, and I think I'd shared this before. I had no clue that some of my ideas and my thoughts were as good as international showrooms and brands, which one of my professional acquaintances and friends, when we met at one of the international meets, shared with me. I had no clue till then. And then, of course, rest is jazz, rest is history. Now, when I research and stuff, I do see that, yes, a lot of stuff that I've worked on endlessly over 6 7 years are actually I mean, I've studied almost all of them myself personally and professionally. And whatever I offer on my social media page or in my catalogs or what I recommend to my clients are something which I kind of work on myself and stuff. Presently, we are based in Delhi NCR, Noida. We are looking to promote and sell products and have associations to supply and also design and manufacture. I'm an award winner. One of my projects, which was handled by our interior designer in Delhi, won an award. We had designed and supplied lamps and some interesting furniture to them. And of course, I'm an award winner also for my work and thought shares in business impact forums and stuff. Recently, I've received two more certificates, mind you, in spite of the fact that I've got these ongoing challenges of neck, cervical, and my glands being swollen and a frozen shoulder. So it's not that great, but then yes, these two certificates which I've received recently are a feather in my cap. And yeah, so more than that, I've already received another four awards. This year was like bombastic, unexpected, where I was honored with the international awards for women in India, the second highest honor in the country. So, anyways, the post is not about me. This is just an introduction about myself and stuff. And we were also supplying to certain, shops in Delhi. We had to discontinue, but because of Corona, I'm yet to launch my online store. So, I mean, the reason is health concerns, one after one. But the point is, work still goes on and stuff. And I'm more than happy to connect with clients and people I meet and stuff. So, if you're interested in getting in touch with me, you can email me, you can message me, you can write to me and stuff. And you can be assured that, provided you give us time to design and make something for you and for your requirements and stuff, we are going to be able to live to that expectation. And of course, for the stuff that is already ready, which is some of it lying here in my workstation area, and the other which is already there in stock and stuff, most of it is usually available. The prices are lower than the showrooms and stuff. And if I were to give you the trade secrets and stuff, you would know that the prices that you pay on certain websites, I'm just giving you an insight on competition, is far more than what you normally would pay to maybe a designer or a person who's got her own collection and stuff like that. The quality would be the same or even better at times and stuff. And when it comes to packaging and when it comes to stuff like that, we've done away with